Hey, as you see here, you can see these Marines patrolling up. They're looking downrange, they're looking at their target. They're coming around this key terrain feature on their left flank. Their left flank is that pseudo finger, that ridge line right on the left side. You notice there's a Marine there with a dog. The dog is used as, think of it as an early warning system, a natural early warning system. Okay? Point man, dog's way to attack the blockhouse is from the left or right flank. If you notice that blockhouse is more pointed in this direction, squad is coming up more on its left flank. Utilizing that blowtorch and corkscrew method that Gunner Sergeant squad leader calls up the other fire team. They open fire in a position. Machine gun on the tank, open fire to lay down some suppressive fire. Hopefully we'll get a round off in the tank. Now you see all three fire teams are online. First fire team is still laying down suppressive fire. Fire team leader, third fire team leader, doesn't like the alignment of his team, is looking to make sure they're in safe position so they don't get caught in the crossfire. Foreman is going up and down the line to make sure everyone's okay. Russian, you see him on the far side of the battle space. Second, third fire team are laying down suppressive fire. Third fire team's rushing, now first fire team's in place. They're laying down a base of fire. Second fire team, squad leader, radio man are in the center. Tankers having issues with the 30 cal radio man decides to jump up. Squad leader gives the command. Targets may be popping up. If you look, squad leader's his squad is getting too close to